This course will take you through everything you need to know to get started with the basics of the Unreal Engine and experience just a small part of what it has to offer. As Epic continues to grow Unreal beyond being just a game engine and making it a multimedia tool for animations, automotive and architecture visualization, and of course, virtual production. There's never been a better time to get started learning this powerful toolset. I'll be taking you step by step through the process of learning the core features of the Unreal Engine with a focus on the best practices and improving your workflows. Together, we'll create this stunning cave environment, explore lighting and atmosphere, create our own materials, implement our own blueprint code, and have these events triggered in our final cinematic animation. My name is Rob, and I have over a decade of experience creating desktop and mobile games, virtual reality, augmented reality, and training experiences in a range of different industries. I'm an authorized instructor, and I've been creating educational content online for years for some of the largest providers, including Pluralsight, and even working with Epic on their official Unreal Learning Portal. By using a hands-on process to get you creating early and completing challenges to cement what you're learning, I look forward to taking you through the process and getting you comfortable working with the Unreal Engine.